Your Honda Ridgeline's key fob, 2017-2020 models, uses a CR2032 battery. When the remote stops working, the battery is likely the issue. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the small notch on the fob's edge. Gently insert the screwdriver and pry it open, applying even pressure to avoid cracking the plastic case. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side faces up. Insert the new battery with the positive side up. Snap the case back together and test. Purchase replacement kits, battery plus tools for $5 to $15 from online retailers. If your remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for corroded contacts or damage. Some users report needing to reprogram the fob. Insert the key in the ignition, turn to on, then press the lock button on the fob 3 times within 10 seconds. Try cycling the vehicle's battery by disconnecting it for 5 minutes to reset the system. If the case is hard to open, slightly warming the fob with a hairdryer on low heat can soften the adhesive. If all else fails, consider that water damage or cracks might necessitate a full fob replacement, costing $50 to $100 at a dealership. Use name brand batteries like Panasonic or Duracell to avoid issues.